Hello everyone and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video I've got something really cool for you. So I'm going to show you how to make money copying and pasting in just a matter of minutes. So this method is a spin-off of a couple other methods you may or may not have seen, but this is totally unique and you probably have not seen anything like this before. So I want to dive right in and show you. It's really cool stuff. So if you come over to a site called market.junglescout.com. It's a marketplace, kind of like Fiverr, only it's very specifically catered towards people that are selling products on Amazon, which is a huge business model online, a huge way of making money. And, you know, this is the drop shipping market, and this covers fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, and all kinds of stuff, like thousands of sellers and probably hundreds of sellers daily are putting up new products on Amazon, and then they need somebody. Either A, they don't know how to do all the marketing and the video creation and the product descriptions and the listings and on and on and on. So new sellers don't know how to do that, and if they have money, they'd rather just pay somebody, a professional, to do it. Or two, you have professionals that have been doing it for a long time, but they are smart and they outsource all of it because they want to spend their time doing the things that matter most to them in their business, which is product selection, finding new products and keywords and things like that. But then they want to outsource the kind of the grunt work, where it comes down to product listing and things like that. So you come over here to Jungle Scout. The best Amazon freelancers all in one. This is amazing. All these people that are on this site right here that sell services, they're willing to do product videos, and you can, if anything that you can think of that has anything to do with selling products on Amazon. You will find sellers over here doing marketing, doing product descriptions, doing product videos, 3D videos, mock-ups, all kinds of good stuff. So what we're interested in today is the writing aspect. So if you come over here, they've got different categories, right? And right now we're going to go to writing and translation. So we're going to click on that real quick, and we're going to see that, first of all, I'm going to show you in a minute how the competition is virtually no competition on this site. You scroll down, there's only a few hundred people selling services, and you can see how many reviews they're all getting. People are going to buy your stuff. If you price it right in the beginning, people are going to buy your stuff. So if you're a writer, and I'm going to show you right now, so if you're not a writer, I'm still going to show you how you can make this a business model and make money from this. You don't have to enjoy writing or be good at writing. So you can take this, right, and just look at some of these listings over here. And I'm just going to find one right here that is a killer Amazon product listing. He's got 323 reviews, almost pretty much 5 stars. He's charging $171 for this. Let's click on this and let's just check it out. So we're at here, he'll do the product title, he'll do 5 bullet points on your listing, he'll do the description and the HTML, back-end search terms, keywords. So he's just doing, it's a research package, and he also does the writing. You can check out all of his, the specifics. But really what I'm interested in is, can we find something, 10 focus keywords, 600 words included, and he's charging $171. This is incredible. So I'm going to show you how this gets really exciting. So he's doing 600 words, right? Do you think that we can outsource 600 words of Amazon content writing for half of this? If we can outsource half of this, we can arbitrage this and be the middle man on this project and still pocket half of this. So if we found $171 divided by 2, if we can find somebody to do this for $85 or less, we will have a 50% margin on this, and we will still make $85 for just clicking a couple buttons. Literally copy paste a couple buttons, and you can make this kind of money. So hold on to this thought over here at Jungle Scout Market, right? Now we're going to jump over to Fiverr. So I'm over here in my Fiverr account. Well, you can see I have $402 and only 3 orders in my queue. It's really starting to take off. It's not what the video is about, but if you're interested, check out some of my Fiverr videos on how to make money on Fiverr as well. Be a Fiverr seller and make money. So if we're on Fiverr, we'll go click over here. I need to switch to buying real quick. Switch to buying, and then let's just say we type in Amazon product listing right over here. Okay. So you have 3,000 people to choose from over here. So for one, if you want to sell your services, just think about the fact that there's only 200 and something over here on Jungle Scout Marketplace, and you have 3,000 people to compete with on Amazon. on Fiverr. So we come over here and we start looking at different ones, and you can see this is a very, very lucrative opportunity. All the people getting business right here. He's got 196 ratings, starts at $10. And so we pull up a couple of these, right? Pull up a couple of them. And we've got this. I'll write an Amazon product listing page and description, top 100 ranked Amazon product. So she's really confident in her work. 5 bullet points, very similar to what you're going to get with that other HTML package, all that. So $60, she's got 2 orders in her queue. So you know that this works. But what I like to see is with hers, I don't see how many words she does. So you would want to contact her and make sure that, it has focus keywords and all that, but it doesn't have words. So you would want to just contact her, hit the contact button here and just say how many words for your basic package, right? And you may have to jump up to the standard package, but I'm sure you're going to be able to get it done within the basic and the standard. And we're well under our $85 mark, halfway mark, right? So this is a good one. And come over here, another seller. She's got 12 orders in her queue. Look at this. It's incredible. I'm going to be going and starting to do this today myself, actually. So 5 bullet points, HTML, all that good stuff, right? And I don't see, so this one, it's only 200 words, then 400 words, and 600 words. Now look at this. Premium $50 listing for 5 bullet points, focus keywords, HTML, the whole thing. And they're going to do 600 keywords or 600 words for you. Exactly what our guy over here on Jungle Scout Market's doing, which is 600 words, right? Only you can make $171 over here on this market. And over here, you can pay $50 for it, right? So we're going to take 171 divided or minus $50 for her top package. So you're going to make $121 on this. All you have to do is put your listing up here. You make a sell, you come over to here and you buy this gig, and then you come back over here and paste and turn it in and pocket the difference. Pretty amazing stuff. Just looking at it real quick. Does she have any upgrades for delivery time? Yes. So you need it done. You could even add in $15 and you can have this done in 1 day. So you can make this. Let's see what the delivery is on his or her page. Up to 5 days. So 5-day delivery time, right? You can make your listing even more attractive by offering just straight up go for the 1 day delivery and order the premium package, right? It's $65. What do you have to lose? $65, boom. You're still going to make really good money. And so there you go. And then I found another one, which is almost the exact listing. So you come over here, write a professional FBA Amazon product listing description. We come over here, 1 product, 1 title, 5 bullet point, 300 words. Come up here, 500 words. And we have another one for 700 words. So the 300 word one. So you could get a couple listings up as well. But just think of what you can do with this method is just coming over to Jungle Scout, posting up your listing. Okay. You get an order in your queue. You come over here to Fiverr and you Amazon product listing. You have 3,000 people to choose from. Find the one that you want that works best for you. And you may test a couple out and also grade it yourself. And once you find someone that is just really good and meets your standards, and you get and you're able to get a 5-star rating over there, then you've got your person that's going to do the work for you. Okay, and then you just place the order, come back over here, turn it in, and boom, you can pocket some good money. So, hope you enjoyed this video. That's it for today's video. If you have a video suggestion, please leave it in the comments below and I will check it out for next time. If you are interested in taking your online business to the next level, then check out my #1 recommended opportunity. Click the first link in the description below. Finally, if you found value in this video, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Until next time, take care.